Hello, my dear future chatters. Welcome to More Academy. I'm sure that your CA Foundation results are out and now you are planning for your CA Intermediate studies. So, in this short video, I'm going to help you to understand how to take admission to More Classes Commerce for the purpose of your CA Intermediate studies. This video is purely for the students who are going to join us live at class or who are going to join us live but from home. Those students who are interested in buying our recorded lectures, this video is not for them. I'll be uploading a separate video for them. The link of that video I'll put it again in the description of this video. But this video is purely for students who are interested in joining live at class or live at home. Our live at class lectures are conducted at our partners premises, Ambitions Commerce Institute Private Limited, City Center Apartment, opposite Garware College. So let me quickly tell you about the way of taking admission to the class. Now this is a Super 60 batch, so I take less number of students in the batch. We have already started one batch that is called as pre-result batch, and we have completed some portion of income tax in that particular batch. So now how the results or how the lectures will be conducted? Pre-result batch lectures will start at 12 o'clock, and the regular batch students who are going to join us exactly after CA Foundation result, for them the lectures will start at 11 o'clock. The timetable is from 16th of August up to 31st of January. Post 31st of January, I'll be conducting some separate revision lectures, but this is the timetable purely for telling you or teaching you the subject or your syllabus. From 16th of August to 31st of August, pre-result batch will be joining me at 12 o'clock and the lecture will be of costing. The regular batch will be joining me at 11 o'clock. First lecture will be of income tax and the second lecture will be of costing. From 1st September to 30th September, we'll be conducting costing, income tax as well as strategic management. From 1st October to 31st of October, somewhere around 10th of October or 15th of October, I'll be completing my costing syllabus and then I'll start with my financial management. Along with that, the GST subject will also be started in the month of October itself. Then from 1st of November to 30th of November, my financial management subject will get over. At the same time, the subject of corporate laws and other laws, will start, as well as auditing also will start. GST will get completed somewhere around 10th of November or maybe 15th of November. Then from 1st of December to 31st of December, my financial management subject is already over. We'll be going for accounting and then corporate other laws as well as auditing. From 1st Jan to 31st of Jan, again the same thing, accounting, then revision of income tax and revision of strategic management will also take place. After 31st of January, we'll be again conducting the revision for all the subjects separately. But that will not be on regular basis, that will be on weekend basis. Now regular batch students, your lectures are initially starting at 11 a.m. But once you are entering into 1st October, that is from October, your lectures will start again at 12 o'clock. So 16th of August up to 30th of September, you will have to come at 11 o'clock. Thereafter, you will be joining your friends exactly at 12 o'clock. And we will be conducting all topic-wise tests on Sunday. Generally, all my lectures are conducted on weekdays. Sundays, you are having holiday from lectures, but not holiday from test. So topic-wise tests will be conducted every Sunday. Okay. Now the fees details. The fees are very simple. Accounting 18,000. Corporate and other laws 15,000, direct taxes 10,000 and indirect taxes 6,000. So group 1 fees are rupees 49,000 and group 2 fees are 15,000 for cost and management accounting, 13,000 for auditing and ethics, 10,000 for financial management and 7,000 for strategic management. So total fees of second group are 45,000. Please remember that our fees are inclusive of GST. Not like other classes, our fees are basically inclusive of GST. These fees are already inclusive of topic wise tests. The final prelim, which will be as per the ICI pattern, that is not included in the fees, but topic wise tests are already included in the fees. Plus in your syllabus now 30% of the paper is going to be on MCQ pattern. The MCQ tests are by default included in the same. You are not going to pay for the MCQ test separately if you are joining the live at class or live at home lectures. So the fees are inclusive of GST, fees are inclusive of topic wise test and fees are inclusive of MCQ test also. Plus you will be getting recording. Although you are attending the lecture live, maybe at a class or maybe at home, you will also get the recording and there will be 2 views available for each of the lecture up to May 24 examination. So that is how the things will be. Plus there are some discount schemes. If you want to join us only for a single subject, that facility is also available. Live at class, live at home, but only one single subject that you can join. But then there are no separate installments. There are no discounts available to you. You can join us for each group separately. Again, there are no installments. Discount of rupees 2,000 per subject or per group would be available to you. So it is 49,000 minus 2,000, that goes to 47,000 if you join only first group without joining second group. On the other hand, the fees would be 43,000 for second group if you join only for second group and not for first group. I would recommend that if you are a student who is appearing for CA Foundation for the first CA Intermediate for the first time, then in that case, it is necessary that you should study both the subjects together. That is going to help you because there are a lot of different linkages between accounting and auditing, corporate laws and auditing, financial management and accounting, financial management and cost and management accounting. So there are different linkages. If you study the groups separately, there is a chance that you won't be in a position to understand the holistic approach which institute wants you to take. So first time student, I would always recommend please study both the groups together. Earlier there used to be almost like 11 subjects, but still students have gone for it. Now there are going to be only 8 subjects. So it is quite easy as compared to the earlier position. And you know the track record of our class, we have always secured ranks despite of the fact that the subjects were very huge or subjects were more in number. So in your batch, I am very sure that you are going to give me ranks again, but please study both the groups together. Okay. You can join both the groups together also. Then if you are going for no installment, that means you are going to go for lump sum payment straight away, then there is a discount of rupees 6,000 to all of you. So 49,000 plus 45,000 minus 6,000. That is going to be the case. And if you are interested in going for 2 installments, then there is no discount. It will be 49,000 plus 45,000. That's how it will be. How to pay the fees? You can pay the fees either by cash or by check. If you are paying it by check, then the check should be in the name of Morec Consultancy, and that you can deposit at our partner's office, that is Ambitions Commerce Institute office, and then you can get a receipt from the same, or you can also pay by online bank transfer. How to make the payment? I'm going to show in the next slide. Okay. So the fees are like this: individual subject wise fees. These are inclusive of GST. They are inclusive of topic wise test. They are inclusive of MCQ test, that is 30% of your paper, and 2 view recordings are also covered in this particular test. Okay, so this is how the things will be considered. If you are joining one subject at a time, no discount, no installments. If you are joining one group at a time, then no installments, but a discount of rupees 2,000 per group. And if you are joining for both the groups simultaneously, then discount may vary. That if you are paying in lump sum, then there is a discount of 6,000 rupees. If you are paying in installment, then there is no discount. That's how the things will be considered. Okay. And payment can be made either by cash or by check. Check should be in the name of Morec Consultancy, which you can deposit, which you can give at our Ambitions office likewise. Or you can also make online transfer. Now, how to consider the payment, or what are the installments, and are there any other scholarship discounts, etc. Let me shift myself first at a different location so it will be easy for you. First, there is a scholarship discount available. Scholarship discount is available based on your HSC percentage. So more than or equal to 80%, but below 85%, then the discount of rupees 2,000 is available to all of you. Then more than or equal to 85%, but below 90%, then discount of 3,000 rupees is available to all of you. And more than or equal to 90%, then the discount of rupees 4,000 is available to all of you. This scheme is available, that is HSC scholarship discount scheme is available only if you are taking admission before 20th of August. If you are taking admission after 20th of August, then the scholarship discount scheme will not be available. This scheme is available only when the student is joining for both the groups. So a student joining for single group and trying to claim scholarship discount, that won't be possible. Note that scholarship discount can be deducted only in the last installment if you are going to choose the installment facility. And scholarship discount is based on HSC percentage, which I already discussed now, that equal to 80% but below 85 is 2,000, more than or equal to 85 but below 90 is 3,000, and more than or equal to 90% is 4,000. How to pay the fees? All subject fees are group 1 49,000, group 2 45,000 as discussed in the previous slide. So total fees are rupees 94,000. At the time of admission, you are going to pay 25,000, that means 50,000 rupees. And on or before 20th of September, you are supposed to pay the remaining balance, that is 24,000 or 20,000 depending upon which group you are joining. And if you are joining both the groups, then you will have to pay rupees 44,000 minus 4,000, that is towards the scholarship discount, which I am considering the maximum scholarship discount. It may be 4,000, it may be 3,000, it may be 2,000 depending upon whatever are the number of marks you have scored or whatever is the percentage you have scored in your HSC. So accordingly, your fees will be 50,000 and 40,000 or 50,000 and 41,000 or 50,000 and 42,000 depending on your HSC percentage. So that last discount of 4,000 or 3,000 or 2,000 is depending on your HSC percentage. Lump sum discount of 6,000, as I have already told you, is available for admission to both the groups, provided you are taking admission again before 20th of August. So if it so happens that you have decided to join both the groups before 20th of August, in that case your fees would be, and you are paying in lump sum, in that case your fees would be 94,000 minus 6,000. And then from that you are again supposed to deduct your scholarship discount, which is applicable to all of you. If you are not going for lump sum discount, it will be 94,000 minus scholarship discount. That's how the scheme is designed. Okay. Let me consider the next point. How to pay the fees now, how to take the admission. Let me again shift myself to more convenient location. Okay, yeah. So what is the way of taking admission? Step 1, pay the fees first. Okay, admission fees, we have already discussed what is the amount of admission fees to be paid. Pay the fees first. You can pay the fee by way of either cash or by check in Ambitions Commerce Institute Private Limited in the name of More Consultancy. Okay, in the office of Ambitions, but in the name of More Consultancy. Or you can also make payment by way of RTGS, NEFT transfer. I have shown different things on the screen, how you can go for it. The account name is More Consultancy, bank account is ICICI, account type is given, and other things are given. And I'll give all these different details in the description of the video also. Plus there is a QR code which is available. I have also given UPI ID. I'll add all these different things in the description of the video, so it will be easy for the purpose of making payment. Okay, then comes the next part, that is if you are making payment in cash, don't forget to take the receipt from Ambitions office, or making payment by check, don't forget to take the receipt. Whatever is the mode of payment, either by cash or by check or by online transfer, don't forget to take a screenshot of your payment. And if you are making payment in Ambitions office, they'll give you a receipt. Don't forget to take a photograph of that particular receipt. So if you are making online payment, you can take a screenshot. If you are making offline payment in Ambitions office, they'll give you a receipt. Don't forget to take a photograph of that receipt. Okay. The step 2, then keep 3 photos ready. First photo obviously is your digital passport size photo, which we'll be using in our class administration dashboard. So that is necessary, your passport size photograph. Take a photo of that photo. Okay. Then comes the next point. Take the photo of your 12th mark sheet, because we need to verify what discount is applicable to you, especially for the scholarship discount. And next one, the screenshot of your payment of fees, or screenshot of the receipt. Please note down that the photograph should be of a smaller resolution size, that is 100 KB, not more than 100 KB size. If you want to resize your photograph, then you can use the different links which are given on the screen or shown on the screen. I'll add those links again in the description also. You can use these sites for the purpose of reducing the size of the photograph to match within the limit of 100 KB. Okay. Or if you are thinking that no sir, I can use paintbrush, I can use some other tools, you can do that for the purpose of reducing the size of the photo. Okay. And now the third step, that is fill up the admission form. You can scan this QR code. It will lead you to an admission form, and then fill up a small admission form which asks for a lot of your which asks for details of yours, that is name and maybe your HSC percentage and the subjects which you have joined and the way in which you have made the payment of fees. Okay. If unfortunately you are not in a position to scan this QR code, then this URL can also be used by you for the purpose of leading to the same form. Okay. I'll be giving the link of this form also in the description. So description is made up of a lot of different links. Okay. And then once you have done all these different things, 3 steps. First one, making the payment. Second one, keeping 3 photographs ready. And third one, filling up the admission form. Then you are ready to meet me on 16th of August, either live at class or live from home. If you are a regular batch student, in that case you will join me at 11 o'clock. If you are a pre-registered batch student, then you will join me at 12 o'clock. So see you all of you. Bye-bye.